Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is a client and server in networking. Server are hosts that have software installed that enable them to provide information like email or web pages to other hosts on the network. Clients are computer hosts that have software installed that enable them to request and display the information obtained from server in small business and homes. Many computers function as the server and clients on the network. This type of network is called a peer-to-peer network. The simplest peer-to-peer network consists of the two directly connected computers using either a wired or wireless connection. A peer-to-peer application allows a device to act as both a client and a server within the same communication. In this model, every client is a server and every server is a client. The main point is the client is a server and every server is a client. In a home or a small business, it may be necessary for one computer to act as a file server, a web server, and email server. A single computer can also run multiple types of client software. There must be clients software for every service used.